when you lift up these cars, you lift up a hood and you've got a Russian diesel engine and Mazda brake pads and God knows what, Coke can, right?
But I mean, I think
it's a Frankenstein, yeah.
I think the Georgia, the person that brings just parts or a bike, a mobile, just one thing can get a free tour because that is really helping us.
So for example,
we can provide a free tour, and you can just help them with everything that you get. It's a very good idea.
Can you think of, like, for example, I talked with one of my friends here in Cuba, and I asked him, can you tell me some of the uses that a Cuban uses for a plastic bottle? And he wrote down 100. Can you tell me, is there a piece, whether it's a Coke can, a ring, a tap, that you've found that you've been able to use to modify?
Oh, for example, we found sometimes we use plastic for repair flat tire.
So plastic from a bottle.
The plastic from a bottle, yeah.
You hear that? Instead of like
So
a
a
packet. How do you do that? You burn it, or?
Exactly, yeah.
Like this kind of
sometimes
stuff.
we just exactly, yeah, something like that. Or sometimes we use just gum. Like in the middle of nowhere, we use gum. Yeah.
So I just had an idea. They could maybe create a Cuban repair book. Not an idiot's guide, but how to do it when you don't have any resources. Right?
Repair bike for dummies.
Yeah. I don't want to say dumb Cubans, but we'll just say dumb.
The other way around. That's true. That's true.
Master bike without tools.
Repair bikes the Cuban way. If you are
A survival guide written by a Cuban. We're not like, if it's the end of the world, let me next to Cuba.
Yes.
The thing about Cubans is that we always find the way around.
So we'll call it how to repair a bike with a pack of gum, right? Okay. There's a saying in Cuba too. No tiene, lo invento, right? What you don't have, you invent. And that's true for Cuba. Whether it's a motor for a dishwasher, people make cars out. I mean, it's amazing.
Have you noticed that there is some guys that they go all around the city with a bike or with a whistle? They are the ones who, for example, if you have a knife, don't have it's not cutting good enough, so they can improve your knife. So, but they turn his bike into a small engine, so they have this kind of
Sharpener?
Exactly, and they put the knife there, and they start cycling, and they will start turning around, and they
sharp your knife.
So you're sharpening a knife manually with a bicycle.
Exactly.
We call that in the neighborhood the scissor sharpener.
Yeah.
Private scissor sharpener.
Scissor sharpener?
Yes, the scissor sharpener. Afilador. And the engine they use is an engine of an old Russian or Soviet plant. That's what they use.
Oh no, the bike.
Yeah, in the bike. Yeah, but the engine used.
Oh.
The engine used come from a Soviet
So they
engine of the Soviet
create
plant.
an engine attached to the bike,
Yeah.
and then that sharpens the knife.
Also, during many years, we had a street war bringing buildings. So people were adapting different engines to bikes as a motorbike. But it was prohibited because of the many accidents by the government.
There was actually a guide written by the government, right?
Yes.
How to make those bikes and
Yes, rigging building. Rigging building.
They sound like nothing that you have heard before. They sound like really funny because they were like huge sound, and the velocity was like too slow. And you can hear them from a long distance.
Rigging building's coming.
Oh yeah, Ricky Bill is coming.
What was it called?
Rigging
Ricky
building.
Billy.
Rigging.
Can I write that to you?
Yes, please.
Ricky Billy.
Ricky
And why
Billy. What does
Ricky
he
Billy?
say?
Because Ricky Billy, it was the nickname of a famous Cuban comedian. His name was Ricky Billy, so that's why it was given. It was funny to see those motorbikes. I mean,
Ricky Billy.
Ricky Billy.
Ricky Billy.
Yeah.
It means what? Loud sound?
And those motorbikes are not electric.
But why did they pick that? Why did they pick that comedian? Why did they pick that comedian to call it that?
I don't know why.
You know why
I
they
think the
picked that
comedian picks the name.
comedian to do
Oh,
that?
because it was funny. I mean, originally it was a comedian, he was a funny
Was
guy.
he the one that-
and it was fun to see a motorbike like this
Yeah.
one running in the
Oh,
streets.
so they equate his funniness with the funniness of
Okay.
the
At the
bike.
beginning, they didn't have a black name.
Yeah.
They were just something. And then this comedian just appeared, and it was really funny, like the sound. And they just put together, and that's the name.
Yeah.
Is the comedian still alive?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
He let you use his